Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accomplish IAS with tagline Determination, Dedication, Destination. Daily in this video map section, we are discussing the map-based current affair data on weekly basis. So today in this section we will discuss Indian Ocean Commission and its countries, देखो अपना देश webinar series, Dipro Sekhwa National Park and Muguri Wetland of Assam, and Megalodon mammal species from South America, Eurasian Group on Combating a Money Laundering and Financing of Terrorism under a Financial Action Task Force and its countries. So before starting, please attempt these two questions in the comment section. Answer will be provided in the next video section or maybe in our Telegram group. So today, recently in news, India looked to the deployed naval liaison for information exchange at Regional Maritime Information Fusion Center in Madagascar, and also at the European Maritime Surveillance Initiative in the state of Hormuz for the improved maritime domain awareness. So it is under the Indian Ocean Commission, and the countries of member countries of Indian Ocean Commission are the Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius, Reunion, which is a French territory, and Seychelles. And India got a observer status. India is not a member of this Indian Ocean Commission. Let's discuss on the map. With respect to India, we have to go in west direction, in the south also. Look at the Seychelles, Comoros, Madagascar, Reunion, and Mauritius. Also look at once more time its capital, Port Louis, Saint Denis, Antananarivo. Okay, and what else? Seychelles? No. Important is that country's situation, where they are situated. Let's go back. I also attach one pic with the presentation, member of the Indian Ocean Commission, Seychelles, Union of Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius, Reunion. Next topic. Recently, Ministry of Tourism in the session of Dekho Apna Desh webinar series comes with title Trekking in the Himalaya of Magical Experience, and in this added 5 places, which these 5 places are Kohri Pass, Brahmatal, Har Ki Doon, Roopkund, and 5th place is in Ladakh, Futuksar. So 4 places are in Uttarakhand, and 5th place Futuksar, which is present in the Great Janskar Trek, is in Ladakh. So next topic is over that. Recently at Assam there is a high scale devastating of surrounding, especially environment and of Dibru Sekhwal National Park and Muguri Wetland has been suffer a lot due to proximity of oil well and their setup of fire. So today we will discuss these two things. First, Dibru Sekhwal National Park and Muguri Wetland have been used because of fire at Bhagjan oil well of Assam. So Dibru National Park. First look at the position. At that I clip from this satellite map. Look at that. It is an island. This national park is in an island form. Look at that. So Dibru Sekhwal National Park as well as Biosphere Reserve of Assam. It is situated in the floodplain of Brahmaputra on the southern bank of the river Brahmaputra and north bank of the river Dibru, and it is the only riverine island wildlife reserve in the world, and it is a part of Indo-Myanmar biodiversity hotspot. And one of the important is Muguri Motapang wetland. Look at that wetland situation just in the south of the Dibru Sekhwal National Park, and lies in the falls in the eco-sensitive zone of the Dibru Sekhwal National Park, and it is also under a threat of overfishing, silt and flood from the mountain and oil exploration. And this kind of Megalodon Bekeshanke, it is a mammal would have lived in the southern Patagonia desert during the late Cretaceous era, and the animal is the oldest animal ever discovered in China. So it is important. UPSC may ask through the name. Let's discuss its position in the map section. With respect to India, we have to go in west direction. Look at this child, okay, and its capital is Santiago, and its neighboring country are Peru, Bolivia, and Argentina, okay, and this is Pacific Ocean. Let's back. Next topic. Indian officials have attended the virtual 32nd plenary meeting of Eurasian Group on combating money laundering and financing of terrorism. So, member, it comprises of 9 countries, namely India, Russia, China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Belarus. Noted, there is not a Pakistan. Okay. So these are the 9 countries, and purpose to ensure cooperation and integration of Eurasian Group on combating money laundering and financial terrorism. Look at that. There is no EAG, mean Eastern Asian Group, is only a regional body, and similar like so many bodies are also present of Financial Action Task Force like APG, Asian Pacific Group, and so many these are. Let's discuss their countries on the map section. Look at that. India, China, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Tashkent. Capital also important. Okay, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan. Okay, Russia, and Belarus is there. It is the only countries present in Europe. Okay. Let's move to the next topic. So today we finish all the weekly May best data. We will meet soon next week at the same time. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much, guys.